Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert image from computer in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert image from your computer in Google Doc, open your browser and go to your Google Docs. I have already opened a doc. Place your cursor where you want to insert the image from your computer. Now click on Insert tab of upper left corner, and here you will find image. Go to image and you will find here the first option, upload from computer. Just click on upload from computer. Now you have to select your image from your computer. I'm going to I'm selecting this image to upload, and now click on open. Look, the image has been inserted on my Google Docs, and now you can resize the image. You can align to left, right, or center. I'm aligning it center. This is the easiest way to insert image from computer on Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.